Anenye Chinsa, Frida Kerubo, Innocent Onyango, Clinton Ondigi, Diana Ndemo, Ishmael Mogere, Lynette Nyambane, Daniel Omwaga, Eke Nakige Kos, Kiamesa Amayia. Eye n'Ensoko TV, Oboroso bw'Omugusi.
Omorigereria mono cia butugire titaika isato Amayia Chinsa Isano Ibere na chikoraga nyoroboti kurwa se county ya Nyamira asaboro kiba ICD balire ira yokogenda no mugiro negati yali mbwata somo basobono ngo chikobango kumanya kenda gutubwatia senseme y'omutandao Ensoko TV digital boy gogenda senseme ya omutandao o YouTube utumirene ebune Ensoko TV nchengurukwa Innocent Onyango. Kurwa se county ya Nyamira saboro kiba ICD kurwa se county ya Nyamira bono nigo waziri w'egisemi kurwa se county yo buno mugirobo nigo gendrete goika magani abo akirani waboro kiabo nigo batebire gatie bintu baganetie bikiraniwe no kolikirwa kwabo boikirana nabo igo batebire kyombe kyabo kya kunopet ekibagoteba kibatenete nigo nakero kikilikire boikirana Omwanchwa omorigereria tigatonya roboti orwa senchira yo bwango buno mulikito Vincent Monda agotomanyi kurwa se county ya Nyamira.
Kene weito kato chake abali mu permanent ebali getu 2022 tukaegwa amarube atabwati umushara kulengana na SRC na tuabe tukubwati cyo bisiga nalinga mutago tuwaka na umusaro ito according to SRC munachi county chinde bwana tuabe tukungaina ngaino tunarusha hapa na pale latest tuachete as a governor agotebia a verbal. Here we need a document, it is signed ya watana ki bonega banwane ngubaka nando moshahara according to SRC. That's why to strike. Ndotaka tinto toko na kwaina ngaluna abana. We are professional teachers. We are qualified. Toko lega singi yari ebirasime. Nkigeko gera minister bako kochiga na area. Enamba yakabere areas Chaito 2022 totana kwaka no abantu ba permanent. Tato batebiga we are registered again tonkere minister gwakwa ne tenga abantu bari 1993 no abantu to registered to 482. We have that document rocking a key. These teachers they are registered. You got to na ki nduru tingisika. They are not doing konya nyoni intuete ni nga strike go jaga. Tuaka ngumo sharo ito according to SRC. Na September. It is now no school ahead till you implement SRC. Number two.
Na strike day. Ntaite ko bagwoni na tigaba kolega asiri baire. Ebintu mbire byamana babwenete kokora bakotokora intu na bali mu ICD batari gotokorera. So now they are working with the office. Iyo ego etoleterete mechana nandi tutate ko tegera mata kwaito ekinto go chigwanjerana naendo nye ega sienjera baye nyorete ntoye manyete igo batige go.
The particular ongoing strike is satisfied the statutory requirements for a protected strike on since yesterday and going on since Monday. So our teachers, wherever you are, those ones who didn't turn up here today, we ask you to stay at home until we say that you go back to school. Wazazi wetu Jumanne ntwarwete
Omorigereria uyu no mugano gendete gokorekana kurwa ase county ya Nyamira kera togendete ko batokubwati na koranga ninki igekogenda gati ya boroki naboigo ne OBC etenete aboroke bokurwa ase county ya Nyamira asubwango igan nigo ndochenga na manyigwe nga emambia rero nigo ange Chinsa isato ne nusu chia rero mambia kurwe kenyoru yage kano ime ya Magombe ward ya Kitutu Masaba constituency mukagiro yomo nigagotebekana akiri mu murumu abo bokombe goika kumuita nigo bono Omwanchwa omorigereria bagotebanga liyo mana liabo nigo lia chaka kera mu muruyo agenda kulima asumugondo oyo ubumurumu abo na ekurwa abo yorochelia chaka goikira bo nigo Omwanchwa omorigereria nigo batebekana nga orobotini rwo abikirwa ase egetaseni ky'abanyanyimbo kya Magombo na nene mono kuchiko baturito kumanya oroboti oru unatoko batokurubwatia tokagenda bosie ensemo yabaiborwa abo bakurwa asensemo yabo machoge chache na borabu nigo abali go saba menyi be county ya Nairobi na Chinsa mujiri chinde chi etanine county nigo bae munyara ko bakumira no yokuliye kirugo kyobo governor kurwa ase county ya Kisii muwaziri mukuru Ezekiel Machogu abamenyi abo nigo bakwanire igoro yo Murembe na asumu waziri mukuru nera kwanire igoro yo bokoreri buya kurwa ase county ya Kisii
malite ngoro kuigara ncheno Machoge kurumagena bo chiborabu watu igabuna twaje bo Machoge ngima chiwodi chonse saba Machoge borabu chiwodi nye Machoge jaje chiwodi satu mangana tuwa rero na luna professional se bandora ne doctor engineer lawyer chiarubu Machoge ngima egento twaje kokora mangana yo mugaka Machoge twaje ko soyo bisho ndo Machoge bano muntu tubate Machoge ndubwatio kora ngimontegerere kora mangana genderera ali kenyorogia bosomo tutageti tota serikali ya Choge tota serikali ya bibako
ntokurugusi aba Machoge na ndengwa kangambuya monase nafasi twanyore yo gochediriana mangana kuhusu yetu ya Kenya kolengia twensunatura ntwe wanege nteke monga intwe igotoko bwate shumano itokoro ku Fred Okengo Matiangi ase okubuli kero kyo president wense ya Kenya anyale ko the 60th president of the Republic of Kenya kiagara introducing gasi akorera saba Kenya se ngakia soa agakorwa ne cabinet secretary ne gasi keranete na ende nanyare kurungi yense itu ya Kenya egia kabere ntwasanga na abantu baminto ba Machoge igoro ye county ito ya Kisii no bokoreri wa Kisii county na ende tuanjera nanga n'abantu baito bonse kurukere kenyoro kere constituency ntubwaterane kore tuburai burarete ubunjureri na ende burarete manufa asa abantu ba Kisii county chi constituency kyonse kianda ngore ngomo chege nakia chaka erinde airu court ne court enyale gokora kirikubwanete gokorekana kiagara pengina makosa arorekanire ngasaba babere karo kia rwarwanete ngikiabete onyorire biroge Machoge kara abere governor das movement of change das machinya gitari jeito das mobole mi interviews e change arorekanite banga na baketu anyore birogo lakini umwananchi nsalia obokoreri ngitwa koreri ndoranga kweri etabauti yangai abana baito mugusiyore mendagera abantu baito bamansai banyo mugusinere ase yokulima gendereire gokea twanyoranga balimba bwate nsengare twalema igonga abarai baito tware ko buri asenga kiyenga onyambara ikerani ali asobwango baikerani erindo marembo nyare koirana
asa Maria tangro nga Winston winners asati kuruma genje siri tukoli yale ndo mkutano mya sana wikawa third governor Kisii county asia ba Machoge twalenga kuruma Machoge mahate paka Machoge ruguru ya bagiro no one understanding tokano work together omo governor ito Ezekiel Machoge modalities to work together We shall have various committees, both in Kisii, both in Nairobi, even the diaspora. So what we want to do, get out of it together, and get to succeed. Because Kisii County has become a place that we have to change.
Omorigereria togotigana na yaba machoge muteneri bw'abanyanyimbo Douglas Kanja wono wasiolire buna omuroberi no lenchera bwo kwanchera osebwo gonchora na ende chianga cy'abanyanyimbo Kanja nigatebire atebire abarali buna nigo murayi bw'ensara kigo cyake omuroberi oyo omuya omutienyi oyo katarachikoba gokoera.
God willing, the head of state will also be commissioning the new uniform for the Kenya Police Service, so that we will have a national, countrywide rollout of the same. In the next few coming weeks, we should be seeing the new uniform that was approved some times back, and I think this is also going to be a force multiplier in terms of morale boosting of our officers, especially the new recruits.
Nyibu muraibuense Professor Kidhure Kindikyo tebire murubiri bwo kwaga chebi wanda sechi county nigo gendete bwikeranu nabo igo niga mentire goteba bune serikali enene nigo yabekire chisei cyokugana elio koigora chichiro cyobonchole dine Chinsa chinde.
We have signed a number of international trade agreements that opens market access for Kenyan products, but some of them are quota free. That means they are endless. You can export endlessly without any quota, and tariff free. China is one example. We have the economic partnership agreements with the Europe and the EU. So please, this is the engine that will take us to where we want Kenya to go. KIPES is one of the programs that both the Kenya Kwanza and the Azimio coalition, who were in the last election, had in the manifesto in one way or the other. For us, we said every county will have a county aggregation and industrial park. And a county aggregation and industrial park is the first step towards industrialization. You aggregate, you value add, and you make the first baby steps towards manufacturing. And all the countries we are looking up to, South Korea, Malaysia, except Singapore, which is based on service industry, trade and logistics and services, Malaysia, South Korea mainly, and to a large extent China, grew their economy through value addition and cottage industries. Because KIPES are the incubators of cottage industries. Talking about Busia, they intend to do cassava flour or cassava products, processing, edible starch, talking about edible oil. Many of these things will be fed from the production, local production areas, and that's how you grow the cottage industry.
Gatogenda sorobotiru kwe murungania saba sai bakoremero moyobwa gachi sensemo ya chesamei bono nigobe murunganira osogotaka nwengeli yabo asegeka kiwiki sato echichiaitire habasabo nigo basabira umurayibwense Dr. William Ruto kosona no muchando oyo elio konyarakoba bakonyorakoba bakanirwe ngeli yabo.
Hata hatuombi, tunataka pesa yetu. Na tumefanya hapa kazi muda mrefu sana. Saizi watu wanadai 21 days hawajalipwa. Na serikali ilisema hii kazi ni ya vijana. Na saizi vijana hawapati pesa kwa ground. hii pesa yenye government iliweka hapa iko wapi? Na kitu kingine tunaomba hivi, kama pesa iko, mtupatie pesa yetu, kila mtu ajipe shughuli yake. Nimetoka Kisumu.
Murigeri tokogenda bosiona ndomo elio moteli na boigo murikibwa matero musubati dol baton nigo bono asiri bugima bwaye kali ni myaka 53 gusira kwaye nigo kwarariwe na umuigo yo kurunga Brian Kasi asatebire baton ni gasire tibugima bwaye asenga yaye na ya Nashville tennis ime yo muchi wa America.
My name is Brian Seaver, son of Cassie Parton, and I'm representing the Parton and Owens family today, announcing the passing of my Aunt Dolly Rebecca Parton Dean, sister, sis, Aunt Granny to one generation and Gigi to the next. This video announcement is something Dolly asked of me years ago, before I fully absorbed it as a future reality. As her head of security for more than 2 decades, a role my father Larry held before me, I have imagined the heaviness of this moment, but haven't truly felt it until now. It is an honor that is mixed with absolute pride and great sadness. But sadness lies with us, not with Dolly. Dolly has lived in the light and is in the arms of Jesus, surely met by Carl, her parents, and countless others who have watched her and longed for her to meet them in the heavens. I first went on the road with Dolly as a kid, getting a taste of the road life in the early 1980s. Dolly opened doors not just for me, but for her entire
family. Aseo ukorario kugu kwa Dol Baton no tuikira mwelio kurende bunalina kumanyia ni gobono Amayia tuikira semesa uchikobago kumanyibwa senchire bwikira Chinsa ikominga musacho yo masilieta Charles Nyangoya Osoro nigo akageire gusiribo gimabwaya gusega agakure kerakagire guitwana muromu abo oyo kagere kurukwa asilieta Richard Osoro asekelia gotebekana ngani gamwako bukombe mambia bono Chinsa isato sensemelie kurukwa ya magombo Omwanchwa murigeri ensemo yekenyoroge kiage kano ime ya magombo wodi ya gekano anemono ensemo yebunge ya Kitutu Masabo mugano yuno chikobago kumanyigwa asenchira yobwa gali chibika Chinsa 10 umanyenga ninki kerera lyo rocheli koba na umwalio amakweli gotigara asensemeyo nchenguru ku Innocent Onyango kokwanelia mubasomuya na ndogenda kobago kubwati emeroberio yaito asegeta sinigito na mbeyemo bw'Ensoko TV.
Eye n'Ensoko TV, Oboroso